Welcome to the Armagh Rhymers digital classroom. To access our online educational resources, visit armaghrhymers.com and click Digital Classroom from the top menu. If you're new to the platform, click Register to create a new user profile. Once registered, click Login to access the digital resources. You can browse through all available content, or if you're looking for something more specific, use the filters to navigate through the different topics, such as art, Irish language, poetry and music, or seasonal content at special times throughout the year. Once you've selected your topic, you can click here to make the video full screen. Teacher notes and resource and activity ideas can be downloaded in Microsoft Word format to either be printed or added into your lesson plans. New content will be added regularly, and if you ever have any queries or concerns, use the Contact Us form on our website. Thank you and enjoy using the Armagh Rhymers digital classroom.